What's up, everybody? Sysadmin Sean here with some Sysadmin news. So this week is Microsoft Ignite, and for those that don't know, Microsoft Ignite is a sort of Microsoft get-together. It's a big convention. It's in Seattle this year, which I think it's in Seattle most. But they go and they talk about all the different Microsoft products that are coming out and all the new features and buzzwords and things that they're releasing into the Microsoft ecosystem to make your life easier. Sales world and the HR world, security world, and all of that. This year, obviously, it's AI. So Copilot. Copilot is getting attached to everything under the sun in Microsoft, to the point that it makes me a little uncomfortable, but that's yet to be seen. They totally said they have protections in place to make sure your data is safe from Copilot and that they only get the data you allow. So they've showed off a lot of cool stuff. Copilot with VS Code, Copilot with Outlook, Copilot tied into Microsoft Entra, which is Copilot with the security tools. All of this stuff gets Copilot. AI gets to do a bunch of the work for you, so your job is easy. One of the things they showed off was Copilot tied into Outlook so that you could get a meeting schedule started, and Copilot would help decide who needed to go, where it needed to be, any sort of pre-reading, questions that you were wanting to get asked and get answers, stuff like that. They also showed someone building some sort of email structure or something and needed to get some data numbers, and they knew those data numbers were PowerPoint coworker had. So Copilot could go through all of the coworkers' PowerPoint deck, find the one that the person needed, and could put that in the email for them. So that's kind of one of the scary things. And of course, it's going to get tied into Teams. It's going to get tied in a Loop. It's going to get tied into Microsoft Arc. It's going to get tied in. So I highly recommend you go check it out. It is still free, and you can sign up now for the free web version, should be able to anyway, and actually go watch all the pre-recorded sessions if anything tickles your fancy. And then Friday is the last day of it. Just wanted to get that out real quick. This is going to be a fast little upload, and there's going to be a regular video next week. So we'll see you then. Take care.